Good morning and welcome to Tunanley channel. Today is a good day. Not crazy hot sun, but yeah, still hot heat. It's supposed to come in yesterday from the goat house, and I know you can see or not. Just they carry the pot and put in the whole melee, and another guy digging in that day. I shoot myself out to pay someone to come work on my job. I can't do it. I've got also back stomach ache. And my nephew Lee and a guy who dig the hole with us, and another one come working. Don't turn to man. I'm take care of the goat today. That is a hard job. I can't do it. 12 hole all together. Not easy to do it. All strong 4 men together. We've been here more than 2 years now. The first year mainly work all together, super hard work. Second year I quite feel been down with my thyroid and Lee work alone nearly whole year, nearly every day by himself. A lot of people say he not working hard. Only see me work in a video. It's not right every time that we work together. But not really last year, but this year I'm get more better. And we like to work everything together again. A lot of people think Lee not work, only don't work. It's not true. Because he work nearly absolutely everything. And I must sit down most of the time last year. But this year I try to get myself healthy. Healthy? Sorry about my language if I'm not good enough. I can't just see he work by himself. I try get myself strong and go get the festival for the goat. And he stay home, he take care goat and do another job. And this time I was supposed to be there as well, carry the pot, but not me. Not today. I don't mean I can't do it, but yeah, I can't do it. Not this time. On the pain stomach. I got also back. I think my husband drink without me. He hiding, but I can see anyway. Say no point. He got Pepsi without me. You know, my nephew sneaky bought it for him. Everyone care about me because stomach ache, you know. But I don't care. Pepsi is a Pepsi, innit? I can drink that. I'll talk about coming fucking update the post. Not talk about you sneaky drinking without me.
You're trying to hold that camera still. You want to share S, do you? You don't like it? See?
So whatever. My nephew fault. Open, see. See, you can't even open bottle for me.
I don't know, you're even thirsty. See, I told you didn't like it. The 8 outer posts are in. You guys are just getting them all straight and level. And put a big blue tank out there. Start collecting the water. We're going to mix up the concrete. And then we're going to pour the concrete in. Let it all set. And then ready for the framework.
So I'm gonna go get food for the goat. And go pay the bill from the post yesterday. Because I tried send on my phone. But they say the bank not right. So I have to go ATM in town to get that pay. ค้อนต่อคัตเตเล็ก เดี๋ยวก็ล่อมือหัก For post and stand. This one my nephew. This big head man for start with it. Dig the hole. This one working for Toon today. Goes how everything still need to be straight and simple. Lee work hard today, guy. Carry the post. This post. Ow! Move the tank down there. Then carry water in there. Just make sure you not put where exactly they are gonna mix cement เนอะไม่กินน้ำกันก่อนนะเดี๋ยวมันก็ไม่เย็นนะไม่เย็นก็ไม่ชื่นใจนะต้องให้ป้อนไหมนะ
What happened? Don't fall in. You've got your phone in your pocket.
Drive me up.
Pass me the bucket. Pass me a bucket.
Miss some step นะ
What อะไรเนี่ย
ขอดูไข่มุกดิขอดูไข่มุกดิขอดูไข่มุกดิขอดูไข่มุกดิ
กินอะไร
มะม่วง
มะม่วงอร่อยไหม
เลย
เผ็ดไหมเผ็ด
ไข่มุกดิเอาไข่มุกดิ